Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker with RJO Futures here on Tuesday, March 19th with some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's get started. What do we have going on here today? Well, right now we're looking at the May crude oil. May crude oil is trading just underneath $94 a barrel. We're off about 15 cents. Kind of quiet here on the overnight. I want to back up here and talk about yesterday for a second. Big day yesterday. Coming in here Monday morning, market was down substantially. Equities were selling off. Dollar was firmer. A lot of commodity markets, obviously including oil, were kind of in a sell-off mode. It was kind of a risk-off type attitude because of things going on in Cyprus. I'm sure many of you, traders have read already in the news kind of the situation over there. And so we did see the markets come under a lot of pressure. We actually saw crude prices dip down below the 200-day moving average, which is right around 92.60-ish area. We actually went down to about 92.14. And then throughout the day, as traders kind of brushed off the news that's going on over there, we saw oil prices rally all the way back up and actually go positive on the day. Saw the equities markets kind of moving up as well. So, coming into today here, like I said, market's kind of quiet, two-sided action. If we take a look at where Brent's at here right now, Brent's actually a little bit weaker than that. Brent's off about 65 cents. We're currently trading around 108.86. And one thing I want to talk to you about is that spread here. I've mentioned it in other posts here. That spread is now trading under $15. And that thing here, since the February highs, we've seen that thing narrow here about $5 here. So there's been a lot of opportunity in there. For those of you that are unfamiliar how to play that spread or really the understanding of that spread, give me a call, shoot me an email. We can go into more detail, but there's a lot of opportunity there. Taking a look at the rest of the complex here, nat gas is weaker right now. We're off about 2.5 cents there, trading around 3.94, and the rest of the complex is weaker here also. RBOB's off a little over 3 cents here at around 308.38. Heat's off as well, and just over 301. So again, looking at this oil here, we are seeing, a bit of a weaker tone here today here so far, but again, kind of a little bit of a bullish reversal there in the market yesterday. But here's the thing. I don't buy it. My personal opinion of it is we've talked about these oil inventory numbers here. We had 8 consecutive weekly builds. The market appears to be very well supplied. We've got the API numbers coming out here later today, and we've got EIA coming out here tomorrow, and they're talking about the potential here for another build. That would make it 9 consecutive weeks. And as we saw with yesterday, although the market did rebound, so technically, I will say here, I think that the technical traders here did gain a little advantage yesterday here with the way the market kind of bounced off out of that area. But I think the fundamentals of the market remain very strong there, that the market is very well supplied, and I think that the demand side of things is still very questionable. Short-term technical indicators are telling me that the market is kind of in overbought territory. So if we see this thing start to lose a little bit more momentum, I think we could be heading down again to retest around that 200-day moving average and possibly breaking that and heading down to around the $90 a barrel area. So give me a call, shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy. We can sit down, we can talk about some strategies here and talk about some of the things influencing the market, be it outside markets or the things that are going on with the dollar right now. I'm more than happy to give you some insight to that. If you want to get signed up here for the weekly inventory emails where I shoot out what the expectations are, as what the actual numbers are, give me a call, shoot me an email, we can add you to that list. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. It might not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.